It's my birthday. My mom have no present.
Oh no. Okay, so now we are having our breakfast. Our birthday breakfast for our birthday girl. Our second day here in Kerry.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Pearl. Happy birthday, Pearl. Happy birthday, dear Pearl. Happy birthday to you.
Blow the coffee!
Blow the coffee.
Yeah! It's hot!
Yay.
Hello, Burger. I got some pancakes. I love this pancakes.
You're going
This is
to a traditional breakfast.
These are breakfast at lunchtime.
James, do you Nutella?
Ikaw nga'y dugong. So, we're off to Killarney National Park. Well, the weather isn't that great, but we still have to do it. We're here now in Kerry, so we still have to do it no matter what the weather is. So, we will be there shortly. So, we'll update you then there. Bye! Okay guys, so we are here now in Killarney National Park. So first stop is the macros. Oops. Now you okay there? Hey, Boo. I can see it already. It's just there on the right, on the left. Wow. Okay, we're going for a ride. Alright. Now.
So, may coffee, oh.
Okay, doon ka sa harap, sa front ka sis.
We are going to our ride. We're going for a ride.
Hello.
Yeah.
Nice dinner.
Are you our cowboy?
Cowboy, yeah.
Okay. Sino gusto sa harap?
Vlog!
Huh?
Okay.
What's the name of our pilot?
Paddy and Jack.
Paddy Jack.
Okay.
Paddy Jack. Woohoo!
No, so where are you from?
Philippines, originally.
Oh, very good.
But we're from Dublin.
Hey, the birthday girl.
Birthday girl.
Happy birthday!
It's riding a carriage.
Emma, look at the horses.
Macro's house.
Birthday.
And there's the Macro's house. We're gonna come back for you.
Come back for that.
That's the Torc Mountain.
The lake. What is the name of the lake?
Macro's Lake.
Oh, President. Yeah.
Very nice lake.
Now, so are you staying in Killarney?
Tralee.
Oh, Tralee. Over so for the day.
Yeah.
And you're lucky because it's nice weather now. After drying.
It's Ireland weather.
Yes.
Okay. Now that's the Torc Mountain there, but unfortunately we can't go up because of the weather.
You haven't seen the waterfall before, have you?
Never.
Okay. I will show you so in a few moments. Now, so this is all national park here now. There is 11,000 acres of national park here in Muckross. There is more land inside in Killarney town. Altogether 25,000 acres.
Wow.
All national park, all government land.
A birthday treat for a birthday.
Ima, there's a horse.
Riding a horse.
Ganda ng lake, no?
This is an
Wow.
experience never forget.
You still can see the view. It's so nice.
It's beautiful, yeah?
It is, yeah.
Now, so you see up there now to the left hand side, you see the side of the house looking out the lake.
Oh,
and the mountain.
nice.
Now we have 3 lakes here in Killarney. You have the upper lake, the middle lake, and the lower lake.
Okay.
This one here now inside us, it is the middle lake, and it is also called the Muckross Lake.
Okay.
It is 3 miles long by 1 mile wide. Over 200 feet deep in places.
Whoa.
There's a fish in there.
Yeah, all salmon trout fishing on the lake between January and October.
So we are allowed to fishing.
Yeah, but you need license for the salmon.
Oh,
but you
right.
can get day license or week license, you know?
Oh.
The water is just coming from mountains.
Yeah, it flows from the waterfall. There's a spring up here. It's called the Horses Glen Devil's Punch Bowl. Comes down through the waterfall and into the middle lake of Killarney. And if you look outside here now, you'll see a small island. You see the little one out there?
Yeah.
That's called the Devil's Island.
Why?
They say the devil stayed there for one night. He got sick of the rain. He had to run away. He didn't like the rain.
Island drove him away.
Yeah,
Naturally.
I think he went to the Philippines then.
Where he multiplied.
Yeah. Now there's many of them. And you know the monkeys? Look, you see this tree here now? Look to the left. This one, it is the only tree the monkey couldn't climb.
Oh,
The
okay.
monkey puzzle or the monkey scream. The prickly branches you see.
Okay, there's a traffic here, so
Yeah. A roundabout.
a roundabout. Okay, a roundabout.
This horse's name is seldom fed and the driver is
Seldom
seldom
fed.
sober.
Good afternoon, madam.
Wow.
Beautiful view there now of the middle lake
Yeah.
and the old boathouse. 1847.
Peter's boat or
They do the boat tours out there to the Dinah's cottage, yes? And you see this tree here now? This is a wild rhododendron. Wild rhododendron.
Wow.
Very big. And this beautiful one here then is a cooking leaf, a bay leaf. Bay leaf.
A bay leaf?
Yeah, that big one there.
Oh, okay. Hi.
And the big one in the back then, it is a cedar cypress, native Spain, over 500 years old.
Wow.
I remember when I planted.
So you're a vampire, are you?
Yeah. No, devil.
Oh, the devil. Okay. You're the son of the devil, are
Yeah.
spawn.
Good boy now, Paddy. Good boy. People don't want to walk, they get wet, so they come, you know.
So just pray every day there's a rain, so
Yeah, so we have to, you know. But it only rains here in Ireland twice a year. Each time for 6 months.
Ah, okay.
so you need to wait 6 months
Yeah.
to have a passenger.
You love riding here on a horse. Aww.
What can you say about
What can you
this?
say?
You love it?
This is the best ever birthday.
Are you enjoying it?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
I'm enjoying it. It looks like a princess carriage.
Oh.
Wow. How about you, Emmanuel? Are you enjoying the view, anak? Are you? Are you enjoying it?
This is the princess behind the princess
Yes.
too.
Wow.
Oh no, Paddy. Oh no, buddy. Back up now, Paddy. Back up now, buddy. Back up now. Back up now, Paddy. Back up now, Paddy.
Oh, wow. The view of the lake.
Now see, you see here now to the right hand side, you see pure spring water off of the waterfalls.
Wow.
So I will give you a stop here now, okay? You will follow up this river. There is a small archway. You go up under the archway, follow the path up there for about 400 meters and you will see the waterfall, alright?
Okay.
When you see the waterfall, you can return back to me and we'll return again, okay?
Okay. Just an update, guys. Okay, so we're just walking up now to the Torc Mountain. If you can see. Wow. We are inside the jungle. Wow, oh, we can see now the Torc Waterfall. It's just there. No, that's it there.
Oh my god. It's a waterfall.